For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The Food and Drug Administration Authority of America has revoked the authorization of the use of the anti-malarial drug hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine for the treatment of COVID-19. After a thorough review, FDA has decided that the drug did not meet the statutory criteria for the emergency use for treating COVID-19. FDA chief scientist has said that the potential benefit of the drug outweighs the risk posed by it. FDA has concluded that based on this new information and other information discussed in the attachment memorandum, it is no longer reasonable to believe that oral formulations of HCQ and CQ may be effective in treating COVID-19, nor is it reasonable to believe that the known and potential benefits of these products outweigh their known and potential risks. Accordingly, FDA revokes the EUA for emergency use of HCQ and CQ to treat COVID-19. Doctors can legally continue to prescribe the drug off-label as they can with any other drug that's approved for other conditions. Off-label prescriptions happens when the medication is used in a manner not specified in the FDA's approved packaging label. However, off-label prescription is legal. FDA has also warned against prescribing the anti-malarial drug hydroxychloroquine to the patients who are already on remdesivir. Mixing the drug could decrease the effectiveness of remdesivir. Remdesivir by Gilead Sciences is an antiviral drug touted to be a potential treatment for COVID-19. The agency is not aware of instances of this reduced activity occurring in the clinical setting, but is continuing to evaluate all data related to remdesivir. FDA had previously warned that the use of hydroxychloroquine can lead to irregular heart rhythms or arrhythmia. FDA has asked doctors to not use the drug outside a hospital setting. In a recent press briefing, US President Donald Trump had said that he was taking hydroxychloroquine as a precaution and the usage was approved by the White House doctors. Trump had touted the drug multiple times as a treatment for COVID-19.
I started to take hydroxychloroquine a couple of weeks ago because I think it is good and I have heard a lot of good stories. If it is not good, I will tell you right. I am not going to get hurt by it. It has been around for 40 years to treat malaria and lupus.
The World Health Organization has said that it is still reviewing the use of hydroxychloroquine in its Solidarity trial. The organization had temporarily paused the trial in May due to the safety concerns but resumed the trial earlier this month. According to the latest data, the sales of the drug has been soaring despite health warnings from the officials and the FDA, part of which could be attributed to Donald Trump.